What's the meaning of bumfluff? Bumfluff. Bumfluff.
Bumfluff. Bumfluff. The term bumfluff is a colloquial British expression that refers to the soft and downy hair that grows on the lower part of a teenage boy's face. It is often used to describe the early stages of facial hair growth, which can be lighter and less dense than a full beard or mustache. The term is typically used in a teasing or light-hearted manner and can be seen as a playful reference to the awkward and transitional phase of adolescence. While the term may have different connotations in different contexts, it generally carries a humorous or affectionate tone when used among friends or family.